have Master Lock number 19. That belongs to Lockchuck. And Loose Shirt had this, and he sent it along to me. So we're going to try to pick that guy. That looks good. Kind of a paracentric keyway for a Master Lock. I'm going to get 3 up there a little bit. And 4. Get those guys crammed up a little bit. Poke it 1, poke it 2, poke it 3, poke it 4, poke it 5, 6. Okay, I gotta crank the tension way up. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1 loosey, 2 pretty loose. 3's hard to tell. It's way up there. 4, a little movement on 4, but now it feels loose. 5. Okay, there's a little bit on 5. Okay. There, 5 jumped out. Okay, 1. I'll tippy tap on 1. I'll tap on 2. Can't tell what's going on 3 still. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. 2, 3, 4. Okay, a little movement on 4, 5, 6. Okay. Yeah, that's an interesting one. Part of the issue with these is that there's a tendency for really high cuts. I think, yeah, if you have a really high cut, like here on pin 3, the driver sits below the shear line. So if you don't get to that one really early on, you run the risk of you get it picked, but you end up snagging the spring on that. Also, if it's just a little bit below that, you end up getting it sort of trapped beneath there, so you try to lift it up and it just won't go anywhere, right, because it's completely blocked. I think there's a little taper there, so it feels like it wants to be picked, but it just won't do it. But anyway, there is that wicked old Master Lock number 19 that people have been talking about quite a bit lately. Fun, interesting little beast, probably among the most challenging of Master Locks. Huge beast of a lock. Look at that son of a gun. Either that or I have microscopic hands. Anyway, thanks Lockchuck, and thanks Loose Shirt, and there it is.